Welcome to Bicol University, where excellence meets diversity. Nestled in the heart of the Bicol region, this institution has been a bastion of academic excellence for over a century. Catering to the diverse interests and needs of the students, each college has its own set of specialized courses and programs. One of its colleges is the College of Business, Economics, and Management. It is known by the masses because of a specific course, the Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, which built its reputation and set standards high for many, many years.
I just remember the first time I entered Bicol University, the premier state university in the Bicol region. There are a lot of courses and colleges to choose from. Honestly, I don't remember why my feet brought me here to BU-CBEM.
What I know is they say, basta magagaling, sa CBEM nang galing. Which is true.
Evident that there are a lot of CBEM graduates that are already successful. There are CPAs, CPA lawyers, entrepreneurs, and managers, especially since they label the accountancy program as the college's cream of the crop.
Luckily, among the hundreds of students who aspired of entering, particularly BSA, I got accepted.
Long class hours made me exhausted. The number of problems we need to solve stressed me out. The whole day I'll be dealing with numbers, and it feels like a never-ending cycle of stress and exhaustion, especially when deadlines are near. I made a routine to cope with the demands of this course.
There are times I cried because of not understanding the lesson. I never once imagined myself crying for a subject, but I did. Amid a heavy academic load, I still joined organizations such as the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants or JPIA. Being a member made my journey in accountancy more fun, and joining the activities that they organized boosted my energy and self-esteem. It kind of balanced my life as a student.
There will be obstacles that you need to overcome, so you need to have strength and determination.
Tired? Having doubts? Feeling academically insecure? It all happened to me. What I did was take everything slowly, one step at a time. Reminisce about those times when you overcame and defeated the challenges you faced. Everyone struggles with almost everything, but look, your dreams are already in front of you. Just keep going.
I told you a while ago that this program was tough, but it's worth fighting for if you desire. It may be challenging and overwhelming for now, but here's the thing. You will taste the sweetness of all your hard work and perseverance.
We all have our different reasons why we pursue this program. We all have our struggles as we conquer this rocky road. But in some instances, we meet at similar points. I want to be like her, a CPA, and I promise to myself that I will be.